Getting your driver's license is exciting. Welcome to your independence on the road. Whether it's your own car or a family vehicle, car care is essential. A key part of that care is understanding engine oil basics, especially oil changes. What is engine oil? Engine oil is crucial for your car. It lubricates the moving parts in your engine. It reduces friction, prevents overheating, and keeps the engine clean from dirt. Skipping oil changes can lead to oil breakdown and sludge buildup. This may cause engine wear or failure. You might wonder how often to change your oil. It's best to do this every 3,000 miles. This helps reduce engine stress and maintain long-term health. Always check your owner's manual for specific guidance on your vehicle. Remember, your first oil change sets the maintenance tone for your car. Now, let's learn how to check your oil. First, park your car on a level surface. Ensure the engine is off and cool. Pop the hood using the release lever, usually under the dashboard. Secure the hood with a metal rod or strut. Next, locate the oil dipstick. It's a thin rod with a brightly colored handle, typically near the engine. If you need help, your manual or a quick online search can assist you. Pull the dipstick out and wipe it clean with a paper towel. This helps you get an accurate reading. Insert it back fully, then pull it out again. Check the markings labeled full and low. If it's near the low mark, it's time for an oil change. Also, look at the oil's color. Fresh oil is golden or amber. If it appears thick, gritty, or dark, it's likely dirty and overdue for a change. A milky appearance can indicate a serious issue requiring a mechanic's attention. Don't worry if this feels overwhelming. You'll quickly get the hang of it. Checking your oil is a vital car maintenance skill. It becomes second nature with practice. You may ask what kind of oil your car needs. Different grades vary, such as 5W30 or 0W20. Your manual specifies the best type. Many new cars require synthetic oil, which performs better in extreme temperatures. Technicians at any shop or dealership can help with your oil choice. New drivers often make mistakes like waiting too long for oil changes or ignoring warning lights. Topping up old oil doesn't replace it. It's crucial to change the oil completely to keep your engine healthy. Set reminders for regular oil changes. Making this part of your routine helps keep your car running smoothly. If this video is informative, don't forget to subscribe.